Homes like this rarely come available in Newcastle, especially brand new and single story. This modern farmhouse sits on 2.3 acres of land with owned solar and over 3,600 square feet of living space. You guys are gonna wanna stay to the end so you could take this whole house in. Now, without further ado, let's go take a look inside. What's going on, everybody? It's Hubert Caston here, local real estate advisor in the area, but most importantly, a very proud girl dad. We are about to take a tour of this lovely, phenomenal home out here in Newcastle. Over 5 bedrooms, 3,600 square feet, livable space, sitting on 2.3 acres of land, owned solar, and the list goes on. Let's take a look without further ado. This may take us a while, but let's go. All right, so when you enter through the massive, tall, stainless cast iron doors, you get greeted by your living room. So your living space, huge, high ceilings, open beam concept, which is just lovely to look at. Very well lit with these massive windows. So you walk in, you're greeted by this huge living room space. And then right behind us, I'm gonna turn around real fast, because right behind us, we have this nice little dining room area. I really like how the base paint of this house is definitely a pretty white, but I love the accent color with this gray. As soon as you walk in here, they did a good job on presenting this house. So you walk in, once again, very high ceilings. You get into this lovely, lovely kitchen, huge island. Right off, huge kitchen. You're gonna walk right into your huge butler's pantry. Now, this is new for me because usually with butler's pantries, we usually see them closed off. This is an open butler's pantry concept. Interesting. I like it though. It really opens up and gives the house a little bit more space because of it. I like the fact that it's open and not so closed off. Nice little feature there. Cut back here, this is the guest suite. So, guest suite, great size room, walk-in closet here. And the guest suite has access directly to the backyard area as well. This area is also a great space because it has access from the pool too. So when you have company over or guests who need to use the bathroom from the pool area, that room has a door right outside that bathroom area that leads right to the pool too. So they don't even have to walk through that room. Walk down this hallway. Now, one of my favorite parts of this house. Look at this massive garage, multiple car garage. As you can see, has the capability of having RV access and storage. Really love the lighting here. They did a great job with this. This garage is well lit. Amazing shelving and storage units inside this garage. So now we're going back toward the direction that we just came in. We've got a nice bathroom off this section here. Has a bathtub in it. As you come around, you walk into this other bedroom. So far this is bedroom number 2 for us. I really like what they did with these large mirrors and this dark paint. This room also has a walk-in closet. So now, so far, we've seen 2 great size rooms, each with walk-in closets and bathrooms too. So that's off the side of the house. Immediately when you come in, you hang a left and you're going to that side of the house. Now, I'm gonna take you guys to the other side of the house that offers the master suites. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're down on the other side of the house. This side of the house has 2 bedrooms and an office space. So we're gonna start here in the office space. As you can see, it's a great office. Love what they did here. Gonna come around and walk directly into your laundry room. Laundry room, this is a very well-sized laundry room. Lots of cupboards, lots of storage. This is just a great size room for laundry indeed. I'm gonna spin you guys around, so get ready. Boom. We go into this other bedroom back here. Once again, this bedroom has a bathroom in it. And then also has another walk-in closet space. It's good. So you guys, wait till we get into the master now. So this master is massive. Come through here. You're gonna enter the master now. Very well spaced, very large bedroom. So I'm a sucker for closet space. Not only does it have one very nice closet, it has 2 closets, and this one extends back even further. And right across the street from that closet is your master bathroom. Nice soaking tub area. His and her vanities. You walk over yonder into your nice walk-in shower. Nice overhead shower. So, as you guys can see, this house is definitely well spaced out. Definitely have room for privacy. Definitely has enough space for a large family. This house is just built for entertainment, but everything about it, it's well lit, high ceilings. Everything you see here is what you get. This house does not disappoint. Now that you guys saw the interior, let's make our way out to the incredible exterior that's built for entertainment. Wait till you guys see this. Let's go. All right, guys, so now we're making our way outdoors. Huge double sliding door area, but check this out. You got your infinity pool directly in front of you as you walk out the house, but check out the area. They really did a good job when designing this area. It's one of my favorite parts. You walk through here, you got your pizza oven, your outdoor barbecue. But look at this space. Look at this space here. Come over here. So, if you guys don't know, this part of California gets really, really hot in the summertime. So, it's a huge advantage to have a huge overhang out the backside of your house that you could get, that you can use for shade, and it helps to keep the house cool as well. Look at this. And right off of your infinity pool, you have more area. Nice fire pit that backs up to a green belt and a walking path. Look at all the space you have. And then you still have more outdoor space with a nice little green patch. Great for pets. You know, you can put a little putting station out there. The world is your oyster. Look at that back house right there. She said, man cave, whatever you want it to be. Once again, look at this amazing outdoor area. All right, guys, you've seen it all. I wanted to end the video from the side of the house so you guys can see the garage doors from the outside, but this is just an incredible house, single story, brand new out here in Newcastle. You guys, if you're looking to buy or sell in the greater Sacramento area, reach out to yours truly today. Book a free, no obligation consultation strategy call with yours truly. Would love to go over a game plan with you to make your next move your best move, excuse me. You guys, I'm Spacious. You guys have a fabulous and wonderful day. On to the next video. Take care.